This miter saw was actually a self-selected early Christmas present. I was facing a deadline to have a mantle built and installed by Christmas. I had been shopping around for a miter saw and finally settled on this model after a friend who has one gave it a great recommendation. I had borrowed a different brand saw but was not completely happy with that one. This model DW713 really works great. It cut perfectly straight and square right out of the box. The DEWALT really performed superbly, and the mantle was done with a whole day to spare. It's just what I needed.